How's it going, everybody? Mecca coming at you here. Hey, listen, I can't remember if I talked about this, my coach, in my weekly update, but either way, coming at you with another video on it. I need two people to volunteer that I'll have a quick coaching call with you. And the requirements is this: you need to have at least three, preferably five books out published. They got to be more than like a day old, obviously. And you have to be making less than $1,000 a month right now with publishing in general. And I'm going to take a look at your books and give you some insights on what's working well, what you need to change, what you need to stop doing, pointers, tips. I don't care if you're in the blueprint or not in the blueprint. But I'm going to use this as a case study. Case study? No, that's the wrong word. But basically what I'm going to do, we're going to record it and we're going to put it up on the channel. So I want to do this because somebody came to me with an idea. It's like, hey, you should do some interviews, some students who aren't doing as well, and help them do better. So I kind of like the idea, and I did one. It was like, I bet a lot of people are going to get a lot of value from that. And so two people. You can reach out to me on Facebook, or just email me at Emeka at myselfpublishingblueprint.com. Put that down below for you. But yeah, I just need two more people. So once again, you got to have 3 to 5 books out or more, making less than $1,000. You can't have had $1,000 a month before. And yeah, I'm gonna be recording it, so obviously you're gonna be okay with that, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing your books, but you're not making any money. So what the hell do you care if people see your books? But it's a great way to get a free call with me. Free call. We're gonna talk and. Yeah, give you some free pointers, help you out, and then put them up online and help a lot of people out. So let's go help people.